We're asked to find the determinant of this matrix, and this is a 3 by 3 matrix. We can do this one by hand. However, with this video, I'm going to show you how to do it using your TI-84 calculator. And we've dealt a little bit with matrices on our calculator before, but we're going to kind of start as if this is the first time we've gone over it. And this one is a 3 by 3 matrix, and our matrix button, if we look right here, this x to the -1, right above that it says matrix, and that's in blue, indicating that we need to hit second in order to access that. So let's do that. Let's go second x to the -1, which brings up our matrix menu. And this tells me that A is a 2 by 2 matrix, B is a 3 by 1. These are all inputted. You're the one that input those in, so yours may look a little bit different, and that's fine. We're going to change it right now. The first one is our names. The next one is math. This is how we can do different things on them. The last one says edit, and that's what we need to do. I'm going to edit this one, and it's highlighted this 1, which is matrix A. I want to edit that one. Right now it's set up for a 2 by 2. This matrix that I'm asked to find the determinant of is a 3 by 3 matrix, so I need to change this. Instead of it being a 2, I need to change it to a 3. So I'll just hit 3 and then enter. And then 3, enter. And you'll notice that it automatically grew as I entered those in. This calculator already provides me with a matrix view right here, which is kind of nice. It's got different numbers in here, so I need to change those to have it reflect this one that I'm being asked to find the determinant of. So all I'm going to do is hit each one of these in to the calculator. I've got a 2 as my upper left, so I hit 2. And you notice as soon as you hit enter, it automatically jumps, it goes each row at a time. The next one is a 1, so I hit 1, enter, and that jumps again. Then it's -1. Remember, the negative button is down here, not the subtraction button, but the negative button. -1, I hit enter. Notice how as soon as I finish the first row, it automatically jumps to the second row. And I'm just going to continue to fill this all in. 4, enter, -3, enter, 4, enter, 5, and I'm just doing this for each one of these, and if you need to take more time, just pause the video. Okay, so I've got that all entered in, and you'll notice that this matrix that I've entered in here matches this one that I've got over here. Okay, now I want to get out of there, so I'm just going to hit second quit. Now this is my normal mode here, and I'm asked to find the determinant. The determinant is something that's specific to matrices, so I'm going to go back to my matrix menu again. I'm going to hit second, this x to the -1. Now this is my name. Notice how this one changed. Before it was a 2 by 2, now it's a 3 by 3. It's a 3 by 3 because that's the one that we just entered in. Now what I'm going to do is, instead of going to edit, I want to go to math. So that's the one over to the right, and it gives me a whole bunch of different options here. The first one says DET, and that's short for the determinant. So I'm going to hit 1. I can hit 1 and that will pull it up, or I can hit enter. Either one is okay. Okay, so this says the determinant of what? And I need to say what the determinant of which matrix I want. So again, I got to go back into my matrix menu. I go second matrix, and I want it of A, which is option 1. So I just hit enter, and I close my parenthesis. So what I'm basically telling the computer to do is to find the determinant of this matrix, matrix A, and that's the one that we just inputted in. And all I have to do is hit enter, and it says that the determinant of that particular matrix is 17. So I go over here and I just type in my answer. My answer is just 17. It's as simple as that. Now let's do one more just to make sure that we've got the concept down. Here's the next one that we'll want to go through. This one again is a 3 by 3 matrix, so I'm going to go to my, let's clear this one out. I'm going to go to my matrix menu, second, there we go, second, and then this x to the -1. And again, I'm going to go over to edit, hit enter, and this one's already got a 3 by 3 in there. If it didn't, you could just type in 3, enter, and then 3, enter, and that would create your 3 by 3 matrix. Now I'm going to go through each one of these and just start entering them in, and again, it does it by rows. So the first row, -4, enter, and then 2, enter, and that'll finish my first row. Then I'm going to go through and just type in the rest of these here. And again, if I'm going too fast for you at this point, just pause the video, you'll be okay. 3, 5, and 4. Let's make sure it looks pretty good there. Okay, so now I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to go second quit. Here I'm trying to find the determinant, so again I go back to my matrix menu. So I go second, x to the -1, that brings up my matrix menu. I go over to my math, that's my determinant here. Option 1 gives me my determinant, and that's what I'm looking for. So I just hit enter, and I need the determinant of that matrix. That was matrix A, so I go back into my second x to the -1, my matrix menu, which is A. That's the one I just entered in. I wanted to find the determinant of A. I hit enter and it says the determinant is negative 168. So my answer in this case would be negative 168. That is the determinant on this particular matrix.